Hello, hello, hello. I have got here a Mr. Beast Feastables peanut butter candy bar. Yep. Mr. Beast. I've actually never tried any of the products before that are branded with Mr. Beast. Never, not once. Let me tell you a little bit about this candy bar. The 160 total calories, 2 servings, so half of this bar would be 160 calories. I don't think that's terrible. I mean, honestly, I really don't know that much about calories, but as far as like what point of calories, it's kind of like not very acceptable. But that doesn't seem like a lot. Alright, so. Ah! Chocolate down. Okay. We're just going to set this aside and do some serious cleaning situations on that later. Here, let me take it off my desk so it doesn't get anything messy. Alright, let's try that again. We're professionals here. Alright. Now obviously it would be bigger, but it broke. So it's already like starting to feel melty in my fingers. I'm going to try one square of it. Mr. Beast. It's super sweet. The chocolate is crazy sweet. Peanut butter is nice and melty and smooth. Yeah, this is tasty. This was like $4, I think. I think that's a little bit too much for a candy bar. It's my opinion. And it did get melty. So you have to either eat this quick or is it cold? I'll see if I can find a link. If I can, I'll put it below. I'll give this a 4 out of 5. 4 out of 5 star. It's good. Crazy sweet. Good texture. Good taste. I'm actually tempted to melt down the rest of it and utilize it to dip some macadamia nuts in. I might do that. But yeah, if you've ever tried the Mr. Beast product, his chocolate bar, or any of his other branded stuff, let me know what you tried. I'll link this below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.